Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find penny items at Lowe's. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to head on over to lowes.com, and then from here on their main page we need to find the deal section. So if we go ahead and click onto deals, it's kind of on the top left hand corner. Just hover our mouse over there. So now once you're hovering your mouse over here, we need to look for clearance. So here it is here, more ways to save. So go ahead and click on the clearance section. Now this is going to take us to all the obviously clearance items, and this is where you're going to find penny items if they are available as well. And now once you're inside this section here, we can scroll down and you can see here this is just sorted by top sellers. So we need to click onto sort by and then sort by low to high. So this is going to show us the lowest penny items or etc. here from the search results. So you can see here they are pretty cheap depending what you're trying to get here. So keep scrolling down here, we can see penny items or near penny items. So yeah, that's basically how to find those penny items at Lowe's using their website from lowes.com.